Calm down. Let's go calm down. Calm back. All right, now bring the dog back to the sit. Now turn right. Okay. So now we're teaching the dog that it doesn't have to be confrontational. We're saying you could just walk away from this, right? Good. This is just something that was learned.
Okay.
The dog learned, like I said in my original story, if I act ferocious, I'll keep people away. Right here. There you go. Good. There you go. And see, the dog's like, let me go.
Yeah.
We gave it an option to walk away.